Throw it right against that log right there. Oh, dude. Dude. Are you still on?
Yeah.
Are you stuck? Watch your... Look at that fish. Get up here, hurry up. He's sizing me up right now. Hey, what's up guys? We are back out here with Quinton again. And we got a nice sunny day today. It's a little bit cooler, a little how we do. MattieGTV. Check it out, guys. Check out the channel. Subscribe. I don't know why everybody has a hard time hitting that button sometimes, but the videos are only going to get better. We're only going to get more awesome fish, more experiences, and definitely going to see some gators today. My feet are cold already, so I got to get in the water. All right, see y'all soon. We got a gator ahead. We think it's a territorial gator too. Yeah, because they usually don't move that much. They usually kind of sit, but she's already moving a little bit.
She's trying to fan us away. Trying to tell us, I'm this big.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
And then Quinton says they'll come up, they'll usually nudge the boat from underneath, bump you to kind of spook you. And it is on the border of mating season, so.
Yeah, this is around the time they're going to start getting territorial about where they want to have their nests at.
Yeah.
And right around April's where they have their babies and stuff.
And he said, if I get bit, I got to stick my hand down its throat.
Yeah, they have a little flap in the back.
Hopefully by that time, there's not too much damage on my arm. See her?
Yeah, I got nudged.
You did?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, she came up and hit me with her back.
She right there?
Yeah, she was right over there. She was along this bank. She came over and nudged the tail on my back.
Get out of this. Wind blowing right now. I'll get your heart going.
That big one was the one that sized me up over there.
Yeah, I see. Pretty big boy right there.
That messed up jaw. He's been in a couple tussles.
What is she, about 9, 10?
Yeah, probably about 9.
400 pounds probably right there. Crap, crap, crap. Oh, heck yeah, dude. Nice fish, man. Heck yeah.
He's barely hooked. Wear him down.
On that little crankbait, huh?
Yep.
Nice fish.
Woo.
Like that.
Get him back in the water. Let him thumb. You don't even want to thumb. There you go.
Oh, I just missed something too. Just came up to the boat.
7 gators along this bank, as you can see.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna spook him.
When the gators get off the bank and they move in the water, they kind of act scared of you. That's a good sign.
Oh, you hit something?
Off the bank. big splash. Just to try to warn us, like, come from here.
Yeah.
So she's probably got her nest all laid out up there.
Oh, I just missed him twice. Oh, got him. Snook. Nice. Oh man, I got no chill. Oh, oh yeah.
Very nice bass.
Yeah, working our way around the bend. It's getting a little tight, a little snug. Got a nice snook, nice bass. And seen a lot of gators, not recently, in the last 10 minutes. So just keeping my eyes peeled. Skip this thing under maybe. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's intimidating. I don't know if I got the tail end of that, literally. You want me to go?
Yeah. You're good.
She'll pop right up. Because it's pretty shallow, man.
She'll stay right there.
It's only like 3 feet of water.
Yeah, that's every good 12 right there.
Probably the biggest alligator I've ever seen. Whew. That probably scared the crap out of you. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way to Lower Lake. I don't. My butt's on fire right now. But it is pretty out here. We've caught a few fish. A lot of probably go down a couple more bends and head back. And what a beautiful day it turned out to be, even with the wind and stuff. So hope you guys are liking the video. Check it out though. This is gonna be fun. Just set the rod down right next to the kayak and something just jumped on it. I don't know what that is. No, that's not a. Was that a carp? Looks like a carp.
I think it's
My first tilapia, guys. Look at that. Just set it down right next to the kayak and bam. Just don't take my rod with you. Don't take my rod. Caught a fish without even doing anything.
Here, let me try.
Just drop it right in. They just hook themselves. My buddy I work with, like, will troll like a frog or a lizard or some kind of plastic behind us, and he'll just start laughing. I'll be like, dude, they just keep catching themselves. I'm not doing anything. That's a pretty big gator coming up close proximity. I'm gonna turn around on that one. Tight quarters in here, but man, is it pretty. Look at this. Heading back, folks, heading back. Freaking awesome day. We still got a lot of gators we gotta go by, and that's not gonna be very comfortable in this jungle wilderness. Come on. Come on. No, not a gar. Not a gar. Man, I don't want to touch this thing. Every time I lean up against stuff like this, I think of the raptor scene in Jurassic Park. Yeah. Where that guy's going to, he's looking at the one from a distance and the one comes up from the side. Yeah. That's what like freaks me out.
Oh, you keep getting whacked. I think the gators are gar up here.
Oh, dude.
Jesus.
Crazy, man.
That was probably about a 3-foot gar.
Let's see.
To really set your channel off, you gotta find that one spiral starter. You get it closer.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if you're making good content or not.
Oh yeah.
You won't get anybody as long as you don't have no exposure.
Come on, people. Why are you not watching this, right? All this amazing footage, like right there. I think they want to see me like jump in the water and swim with the gator. Everybody likes dangerous stuff.
Yeah, I mean, look at that guy Boot Gang.
Or what about the Island Boys?
Yeah. All it takes is one thing.
Oh man. Yeah, how could you guys not want to watch this stuff, right? Because it's so slow. It's so... puts you to sleep. Until like something happens when you're like, whoa.
There's a good one.
Yeah?
That's a good one too. That's a good one. Oh, it's got the deep in there.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Fish, nice bass. And you'll get some spiders on your kayak too. People, you don't want to talk like, Quinton just caught this nice 2-pound bass. You guys like watching my videos, please subscribe. It's like amazing out here. Can't talk like that. Doesn't work.
Doesn't work.
Doesn't work.
Giant bass.
Giant bass. 13 pounds right there. Got my PBR. There we go. It's running like crazy, man. It's a snook. Another snook. Nice fish. That's my biggest of the day. Forgot they don't have any chill.
You got mono on there or no?
I tell you, I always tie off like fluorocarbon or a mono leader.
Okay.
Yeah, that's nice.
Most bass fishing I do, I just go straight braid with it.
Yeah, I can't tie my knots because they slide out.
But if I'm fishing in like a river or anything like that.
Are you guys getting sick of not seeing my face? Because all this point of view stuff, kind of stuff like that. And then Quinton's fishing the whole time and I'm just like, I'm just chilling here and you can't see my face until now. So I try to do it at least throughout the video. And I got to stop talking my hand because I always do this. So I don't know, I'm shaking a little bit. Just a little bit because we're coming up to a really creepy spot. So you guys will find it out in a few minutes. So check it out. Oh wow. Oh wow. There's 2 of them. I'm not liking that, brother. Get up here. Get up here, hurry up. He's sizing me up right now, buddy. Wow. Wow. What?
Sorry, there's a snake with no head.
There's a snake?
With no head.
It's alive?
And it just swam off.
What? For real? That doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't.
Oh, it's right there, dude.
You see it?
Oh crap, it's coming towards me. I don't want... What the hell?
Am I right?
What the hell is that?
It doesn't have any... It looked like its head was just chopped off.
What the hell?
Maybe an eel?
I mean, it's possible a freshwater eel, you know, or a lamprey, or just freshwater lampreys.
But it looked like the meat was hanging out of it.
Maybe he just got bit by something like a gar, and then he just like cruising around, you know, like catfish when you chop their head off, they're still kind of live for a while.
Yeah.
Something like that.
I was like, oh, he's moving because of muscle memory at first, and then all of a sudden he sprung to and swam off.
That's a little creepy. Throw it right against that log right there. Yeah, there you go, that'll work. Oh, dude. Dude. Are you still on?
Yeah.
Are you stuck? Watch your... Try to go around it. Oh, dude. What a fish, bro.
This is right.
I'm gonna push you over.
Oh, I'm stuck around something. He's got me underneath the log here.
Oh. You did some MacGyver stuff right there, bro.
He's got me underneath this log. Come on, buddy.
Get out of there. Nice bass. Nice bass, bro. That was some sweet maneuver you did, bro. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, you got that's the biggest bass of the day right there.
Who says little lures don't catch big fish?
You guys watching this? You guys watching this? Look at this. Acrobatic, bass catching, snook catching master right here. Look at that fish. Love that. Oh yeah.
It's about 3.5, I'd say.
I'd say yeah, absolutely. Nice fatty. Not liking this guy.
Up 5, I see him.
5. Yeah, the little ones, the littler ones.
Yeah. You're alright.
Giving me the evil eye. It's okay, buddy. I'm not harming you. And then this little one wants to, like they were under investigation or something.
Or you could say investigator.
Investigator, yeah. That's kind of a fancy word. It's a big boy right there on the right. Yeah. She ain't happy. I mean, if I was a gator, I don't know if I would lay like that. It looks like all the blood's rushing to his head. All right, sorry. I don't mean talk. I'm not trying to talk about you, I promise, okay?
No, you're gonna ruin the fishing.
Gator's gonna ruin the fishing. We don't want that. So you're good. You're good. It's okay. Thumbs up. We're good. You're good. You're good, buddy. Just chilling. Good alligator. There's the bigger one.
Yeah.
He looks like he's just coming up on land too. They're like, yeah, right, psych. Yeah, no, he's like, I really want to go on land because he's going right back to it. Man, look at the tail on that thing.
Yeah, that one had a nasty cut on his tail.
Yeah. A massive head on that thing, wow. Yeah, it's still on, okay. Hope you guys liked the video. It's been an awesome day. Got 6 different species, 5 on the camera at least. And have to come back out here again for sure. So tilapia, cichlid, snook, bass, bluegill, and gar. So MattieGTV, please subscribe. Is it that hard to subscribe? Oh, and he's
She got her stick.
oh, you got a stick. Oh, we're gonna play fetch. All right, I don't know about that. I think I'm out of that game. I think I'm too tired. It's like a giant dog with a huge bite pressure. Don't worry, I'll give you your space. No, probably not. Not like the best idea. Oh, come on, really? Is that a nudger?
No.
No? Probably take a good nudge to get me to move.